Greetings, I'm Tim of Govberg, and welcome to the world of Vacheron Constantin. Today we'll be discussing the operation and care for the Vacheron Constantin Patrimony 40mm in 18 karat white gold. This caliber 1400 manual winding timepiece can be wound by turning the crown in its first position flush to the case. Approximately 20 winds in the clockwise direction will be sufficient to start the action of the movement and the beat of the balance. Continue winding the watch until light resistance is felt. At this point, the mainspring is fully energized with a rated 40 hours of power reserve. In order to set the watch, gently pull the crown to its second position and then turn clockwise until the desired time is attained. After using the crown, it's important that it always be returned to its first position flush with the case. Vacheron Constantin recommends winding the watch at the same time daily to ensure that the ebbs and flows of the relatively full mainspring and the diminished mainspring late in the cycle always coincide with the same times each day. This provides optimal chronometric performance. With the crown in its first position within its case recess, the watch is rated to 3 ATM or 30 meter water resistance. Vacheron Constantin cautions owners that 3 ATM water resistance entails splash or rain exposure only. A timepiece with 3 ATM water ratings should never be submerged or used for swimming or bathing. Should the watch entail any water exposure along the case, immediately dry it with a soft and dry cloth, and always ensure that there is no water atop the crown assembly before winding, withdrawing to the second position, or setting, as this can lead to water bypassing the crown seals. Leather straps, in all cases, should be considered to have no water resistance. Exposure of a leather strap to moisture leads to rapid degradation of this natural material. Vacheron Constantin advises that each Vacheron Constantin timepiece, regardless of water rating, be tested annually at an authorized dealer to ensure factory-rated hermeticity. It's important to avoid exposure to magnetism, as, like water, magnetism can damage the functional integrity of the watch. It's important to keep the watch remote from sources of magnetic flux, such as static magnets on a refrigerator, wiring looms that may contain high degrees of electrical current, speakers of all kinds, and magnetic resonance imaging equipment. Should the timepiece become magnetized, should it run at unusually fast or slow rates, it's important that the watch be taken to an authorized Vacheron Constantin dealer or boutique where demagnetizing equipment is available for this purpose. Vacheron Constantin recommends servicing a simple watch such as this manual wind 1400 caliber every 4 to 5 years. It's critical to have this done at a Vacheron Constantin authorized dealer or boutique where proper equipment, trained personnel, factory parts, and most significantly, factory sales and service warranties are available for your timepiece. To learn more about the care and operation of the Vacheron Constantin Patrimony and the entire Vacheron Constantin model line, visit the company's homepage at vacheronconstantin.com.